How's everybody doing today? Good. Because guess what? I'm back in the kitchen. So today, you guys, if you're ready for this video, thumbs it straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yes, come join your girl. Now, by all means, I am no professional, but I love my kitchen. Now, today, you guys, I am bringing you guys stuffed peppers. Yes, using just a simple few ingredients. We have the Larry seasoning salt. We have the Italian style ground turkey. We have some pasta sauce, meat sauce that is. And we have some rice and we have some red onions. Them the only few ingredients that you need. So yeah, if you're ready for this video, stay tuned. First thing we're gonna do is saute some onions. You guys, when I tell you I love the cooking videos, I do. But don't get me wrong, my channel is a little variety of everything. So we're gonna saute the onions, put a sweat on, as some will call it. Okay. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Like I say, it's just something I like to do. We have a pot over here because we're going to insert the bell pepper. Well, green peppers, bell peppers. Okay, we're going to insert these. And this one I left undone so you guys can see how I rip the cage out. And yes, my hands are clean. You're good. Just super excited to bring you guys this video. We're not going to keep these in there that long. Just enough to soften a little bit. Okay? So let's put a top on that. Sorry for the ride. I should have had it already out. It doesn't fit, but it'll go. Okay? So yeah, you guys, how's everybody been doing? Good. So let's get this to going. Because this is going to be our filling. And we're going to open up this turkey by cutting. I shouldn't leave this in my combo because I'm going to clean that out. So you got to slide that on out. If you're doing this video for the first time, come join your girl. I would love to have you. Yes, I would. Make sure you leave a comment below so I know where to go. So yeah, let me get this to going and I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. So yeah, got my burgers right where I need it. Well, you know, my turkey meat. And I'm going to stir in some rice. Which the rice is already pre-heated, so we can, pre-cooked. So we can just put us some dash on here. And we're going to put a little Larry's. Can't go wrong with a little Larry. And we got us some black pepper. Now that's all the seasoning that I need. I don't know what else you guys might like to have. But yeah, that's all I need. Because we got the onion and everything else going on. Let's Let's incorporate this rice in here and the seasoning. Oh yeah. Now you want to taste it just to make sure that that's enough seasoning for you. I think so. So you guys, here comes the fun part. That tomato sauce is right here. So we're gonna put a little bit at the bottom of the pan. Because we're not gonna use that much. I forgot to turn my oven on, but it's not gonna take that long to get to 400. So I want to say we're gonna put it on 400 until, you know what? That would be a little nice if I put, yeah, okay. So we're gonna start incorporating. Did I say that right? I don't know. Oh, that's a little hot, but Mama can handle it. And that's how we're gonna stuff it. It's a little hot. Uh-oh. That one want to jump back into the skillet. Let's see him right there. Because he's very hot. That's only because I had it on that pot. I'm going to stop it right there. Now, do I want to do a little more? Let's do some more stuffing. Almost. But yes, it's looking good. We're going to leave that right there. And we're going to get some more sauce. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That should be that. Well, we can't hurt to sprinkle it around. There we go. So, we're going to top it with the top. That's right. And so, yeah, you got, this is my stuffed bell pepper. Now we, well, that one will not have a top. Uh-oh, let's stuff it back up there. Because he will not have a top. Oh, well. Let's put a slice of cheese on him since it wants to show out. We're going to use jack. Yes, pepper jack cheese. There we go. Now, let's slide it in the oven. Now let me clean up this mess. Guys, this is my take on stuffed peppers. You guys, if you found this video for the first time, thumbs it straight up, come to the channel. And yes, leave a comment below so your girl will know where to go. So until then, you guys, sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye. And I hope you enjoy this recipe. Share with your friends, family, and all of your loved ones. Bye.